Number 7. On the move. Cell therapies to restore gut motility.
The human digestive tract, or gut, has its own nervous system. This second brain, known as the enteric nervous system, is comprised of neurons and support cells that carry out critical tasks, like moving food through the gut. When enteric neurons are missing or injured, gut motility can be impaired. Effective treatments are deeply needed. In many cases, surgery is the only option. Now, scientists are developing an innovative cell replacement therapy to treat diseases of gut motility. Donor cells can be isolated from a patient's own gut or from a more readily available source, such as subcutaneous fat, and coaxed to form the progenitors that give rise to enteric neurons. Researchers are also devising off-the-shelf approaches, which could create a supply of donor cells that are shielded from the immune system and can therefore be transplanted universally across different patients. This emerging cell therapy could one day treat patients with gut motility disorders. For example, Hirschsprung's disease is a rare congenital disorder in which infants are born lacking enteric neurons in portions of the gut. The only treatment is surgery. In addition, patients with diabetes often develop problems with gut motility due to declines in enteric neurons. Early research shows that transplanted enteric neurons can also take up residence in the brain. That means these forays in cell therapy for the gut could also help pave a path towards cell therapies for the brain and spinal cord.